At Restoration Roofing, we are always thinking of ways to improve our customer experience. And one of the ways we do that is by reinvesting in technology and equipment. So today, I want to show you a really cool piece of equipment that we use on almost every job. The Equipter roofing buggy. The main advantage to us using the Equipter on our tear-offs and our new roof projects is obviously the cleanliness. So the way this buggy works is the top will actually open up and we can lift it up to the roof line, and that way when we tear off shingles, it'll actually funnel directly into this buggy and not on your ground. It's really good at collecting excess nails and most of the debris. As with any piece of equipment, there's a little bit that'll get by, but this is way better than the old school method you'll see of just putting tarps on the ground and letting everything fall. The second big advantage to using the Equipter on a new roof is time savings. Having something like this that catches the debris directly as it comes off the roof, as opposed to it going everywhere on the ground, saves a ton of time, because with this buggy being self-propelled, we can actually drive it from the roof line to our dump trailers, and that eliminates the need for the laborers and the guys to basically get on the ground and manually collect everything with wheelbarrows. So this piece of equipment saves us a ton of time, and it gets us done with your project a lot quicker. So I've already covered how this helps with cleanliness. I've already covered how this saves a bunch of time during the roof project. But the third main advantage of using this on a roofing project is loading the roof. We can actually take shingles, bundles of shingles and different materials, put it in this and lift it up to the roof. So it'll work the opposite way. And lastly, this keeps the job sites a lot safer, because this eliminates the need for a worker to go up and down a ladder over and over carrying heavy bundles of shingles. So the last thing I want to do is show you some other features about the Equipter that make it really unique. First of all, I already covered that this is self-propelled. This is how we control the unit itself. It's all hydraulically powered. This wheel will come up and down, almost like landing gear on an airplane. So when we hook it up to a truck, that's not going to be dragging on the ground. Pretty neat. It has these big hydraulic arms here, and what this does, this will actually stabilize it while it's in the air. This will prevent it from falling over and hurting somebody or damaging your property. Inside this is the engine. It's a Honda motor. It's pretty quiet, but right here, this is one of the neatest features. They've outfitted these buggies with really big tires, and the reason they did this, number one, it's not just to carry the load, because this can get very heavy, as you can imagine, but this will distribute the weight across your yard so it's not leaving ruts in your grass. So these are essentially turf tires designed to drive off-road. At Restoration Roofing, we want to ensure a hassle-free roofing experience for all of our customers, and this is one of the tools we use to do just that. Give us a call at 901-854-3402 for a free quote, and hire the roofing company that cares about your property.